So when I last talked to you guys about the PDF quote that you can do from a sales order, there were two main issues that I wanted to address. The first, and the one that I'm going to address in the video today, is that you would have to pay to use Adobe to create a PDF. The second is putting custom fields into your PDF. I'm still working on that one, but I'm hoping to give you a solution soon, although it looks like I won't be able to give you a solution for odoo.com. Sorry guys. Anyway, for doing a free fillable PDF form, which is what you need for Odoo to use it for the PDF creator, we have two options. The two options I was able to find with some help are Scribus and LibreOffice Draw. Both are super capable programs, and I've given you the links for downloading them in the description below. I'm not going to take you through the install process, but I am going to show you how to use these real quick. So let's first dive into LibreOffice Draw. Looking at it, this is going to feel a fair amount like Publisher in the Office suite. Now again, I'm not a design guy, but this is going to give you a ton of options to work with. You can insert images, do all that other stuff, and then we can throw in the fields that are going to receive the different information from a sales order or from a product. So to add a field, what we need to do is come up here to Insert. We're going to go to Form Control, and we're going to grab a text box and draw it wherever we want on this document here. Now for this next bit, we need to refer to the documentation again. So we want the customer name for this, so we're going to grab this dynamic text value here, copy it, come back into Draw, right click, go to Control Properties, and we want to replace this name right here with that dynamic text. And of course, if we want to, we can come down here, make sure that the font's what we want it to be. So we click into here, click the little ellipsis, brings up all our options here. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger, maybe 24 point. Okay. And yeah, I'll leave the font for right now and not worry about the effects or anything, but we've got options, right? And we can exit right here. Now all we have to do, once we've got all this set up, we can go to File and Export As, and export as PDF. Okay, leave all this, export, and we're going to go ahead and say example header for this one and replace it. Now to test this guy out, just for a quick review, we go into Settings, and I'm going to search header just to make my life a little bit easier. Okay, this is where my header comes in. You can again do this custom by your sales order template, but this is going to apply to everything for right now. So we're going to edit. I'm going to grab that example header, and then we're going to click Save. Now let's go back to the main screen, go to Sales, and we're going to grab this first one, go to Print, and go to PDF Quote. And opening up what it printed out for us, you can see we got Abigail Peterson, which is our customer name here, right where we wanted it to be. Now let's go try Scribus. So this is what Scribus should look like when you first open it up. Again, very similar to Publisher and LibreOffice Draw, so nothing crazy there. So Scribus isn't really too hard either. We come in here and we look for our PDF text field here. Go ahead and draw that on real quick. Then we're going to want to right click this, go to Properties, and we're going to make sure that our dynamic text field value is what we have here based on the documentation. Okay, and then we can exit out of there. Once we've got this all set up the way we want, we can come to File, go to Export, and save as PDF. I'm going to ignore these errors. Okay, go ahead and select the file or give it a name that you like. Okay, and save. I'm going to save over the one I already have. Now let's go back into Settings real quick, and we're going to replace our header with that new file. Okay, so example header Scribus, save. Now we'll come into Sales, we'll go to Sales Order 26, go to Print, PDF Quote, and you can see that worked out just beautifully. So there you go, two free options for working with PDF Quote Builder. Not bad. As always, I'm here to help. Hit me up if you have any questions in the comments below, or if you need a little bit more time, grab some time on my Calendly. And thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll have more content for you here soon.